Looking for a powerful drone without breaking the bank? Today, I'll show you the top 5 best budget drones of 2025, all packed with premium features at wallet-friendly prices. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you want to capture 8K aerial shots, enjoy FPV flying, or just explore the skies for fun, these budget-friendly drones deliver amazing value in 2025. Let's dive into the top 5 budget drones you should consider this year. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. V168 Pro Max Drone. This drone comes with an 8K professional HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and a large screen remote control. The brushless motor ensures smooth, stable flights. Reviews? Users love its stability and obstacle avoidance, calling it a great budget choice for beginners and hobbyists alike. Pros: 8K HD camera for stunning aerial footage, 5G Wi-Fi FPV live video, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, large screen remote for easy control. Number 2. Professional S159 Drone. The S159 brings an 8K dual camera system, foldable design, and brushless motors. It also features 5G Wi-Fi and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, making it both portable and powerful. Reviews? Buyers say the S159 gives professional quality footage at a surprisingly low price, with smooth handling even in light wind. Pros: dual 8K cameras for flexible angles, foldable and travel-friendly, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, smooth brushless performance. Number 3. Xiaomi V198 Max Drone. From Xiaomi, this drone is equipped with an 8K camera, laser obstacle avoidance, and a large screen controller. The folding design makes it easy to carry, while the GPS ensures precise flight paths. Reviews? Users highlight its laser obstacle detection and clear camera quality, making it a smart choice for safe aerial photography. Pros: 8K professional camera, laser obstacle avoidance, GPS for stable navigation, foldable and portable. Number 4. V168 Pro Max Drone. An upgraded version of the V168, this drone comes with dual 8K cameras, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and a screen remote for real-time visuals. Reviews? Customers love its dual camera flexibility and omnidirectional coverage, calling it one of the most advanced drones in the budget range. Pros: dual 8K HD cameras, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, screen-equipped remote. Great value for the price. Number 5. S159 Pro Max Drone. This mini-budget drone features a 4K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and a 4.5-inch screen remote. Despite its compact size, it offers GPS stability and multiple intelligent flight modes. Reviews? Buyers say it's perfect for beginners, noting that it's lightweight, portable, and still manages to deliver clear, stable video footage. Pros: compact and portable mini drone, 4K HD camera with FPV, GPS positioning, easy to fly for beginners. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best budget drones of 2025. If you want a feature-rich powerhouse, the V168 Pro Max is an excellent choice. For dual camera flexibility, go with the S159 or V168 Pro Dual Camera Edition. If you want laser precision and premium feel, the Xiaomi V198 Max is hard to beat. And for those just starting out, the SG109 Pro Max Mini Drone is affordable, portable, and user-friendly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future product reviews. Question for you. If you had one of these drones today, what's the first thing you'd capture? Nature, travel, or city views? Drop your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.